My name is Dinesh Gujar, and today I want to discuss about top most 15 SSB interview questions. Like who one want to clear SSB, then this is series will be very helpful for them for clearing SSB interview. So let's move ahead. Firstly, we go through one question that is what is the primary role of Indian Army? So this is questions and answer of this type questions you can think about your mind and after speak. फर्स्ट वन, इंडियन आर्मी का मेन रोल क्या है? देश को एक्सटर्नल अटैक और इंटरनल थ्रेट से प्रोटेक्ट करना। और आर्मी सिर्फ वॉर नहीं लड़ती है, इसके अलावा फ्रॉड अर्थक्वेक जैसी सिचुएशन में मदद करती है। सो रिमेंबर, आर्मी इक्वल टू प्रोटेक्शन प्लस सर्विस प्लस ह्यूमैनिटी. Its structure this is structure of these questions. The main job of Indian Army is to protect our country from the enemies and keep our borders safe. Makes sure that no one can attack from harm India from the outside or create problems inside the country. Army also work in internal security like handling terrorism and maintaining peace in sensitive areas. But army is not only about fight wars. It also help peoples during natural disaster like floods, earthquakes, and landslides. In such situations, the army rescue peoples and provide the help quickly. Uh, Indian Army also work as international peace missions under the United Nations. Overall, the army work with disciplines, professionalism, and dedications always keep the nations first. So that is the format of these questions and answer of these questions. Uh, इसे अपन अपनी लैंग्वेज में से याद कर सकते हैं या लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि इंडियन आर्मी का मेन रोल क्या है? देश को एक्सटर्नल अटैक और इंटरनल थ्रेट से प्रोटेक्ट करना। और आर्मी सिर्फ वो नहीं लड़ती है, फ्लड अर्थक्वेक जैसी सिचुएशन में मदद करती है। सो रिमेंबर, आर्मी इक्वल टू प्रोटेक्शन प्लस सर्विस प्लस इम्यूनिटी। ठीक है, अपन बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में। व्हाट आर द कोर वैल्यूज ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी? सो इसमें अपन को इंडियन आर्मी की जो कोर वैल्यूज है उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है। The Indian Army is based on the strong value like duty, honors, integrity, loyalty, and selfless service. This means the soldiers and officers always put the nations before the personal interest. Disciplines and courage are very important in army. Soldiers also respect each others, no matter their background, which create unity. The army focus on leadership and teamwork, which help in completing missions successfully. In every situation, soldiers are expected to make the honest and ethical decisions. The army's motto is service before self, which means country come first. The values are taught during the training and followed throughout their life. So, the conclusion of this question that is the army provides duty, value like duty, honors, integrity, loyalty, and selfless service. That is the most important line. That is the its army motto: service before self. This means nations always come first for army and over says. So that is the answer of this question format. We move next question. That is third question. Why that SSB interviewer also ask about them. Why do you want to join Indian Army? So that's answer that is I want to join the Indian Army because it gives a full life of purpose, honors, and responsibility. It gives me a chance to serve my country directly and help in its security. The army helped me develop important quality like leadership, discipline, and mental strength. I am motivated by the challenges and opportunity to work in different and difficult situations. I feel proud of the respect that comes with the wearing the uniform. I also like how the army help people during emergency like floods and disasters. For me, it is not just a job; it is the commitment to serve the nations. That is the right answer to format the answer. and that is the conclusion of this. Why do you want to personal question है but structure होना चाहिए. Say uh, serve nation leadership growth challenging life never say salary job security, that is the alerting questions. Alerting never said. So we move next questions. What is the SSB and its purpose? SSB selection service selection board. It organizations select candidate for officers post in the Indian Armed Force. Its main purpose is to check candidates' personality, leadership skill, and officers like qualities. The selection process includes different tests like psychological test, group activity, personal interview, and physical tasks. SSB not only check knowledge, it check how a person think, behaves, and work with others. It focus on quality like communications, confidence, decision making, teamwork. The process is fair and takes place over several days to observe candidates in different situations. So that is the right answer to format of these questions. लेट्स बी एसएसबी सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस को चूज ऑफिसर्स. ये सिर्फ नॉलेज नहीं पर्सनल टेस्ट करता है. दे चेक हाउ यू थिंक बिहेव एंड लीड टू द योर टीम. That is the purpose of SSB, and it's like so we move next question, that is five questions. What are the officer like qualities? OLQ questions. It is very much to know uh, to about officer like qualities. Officers like qualities are the skills and traits need to become a good leader in the armed force. These includes intelligence, reasoning ability, confidence, teamwork, and decision makings. A good officer should be able to adapt to different situations, take initiatives, and work well with others. OLQ also help include courage, stamina, determinations, and ability to influence people positively. These qualities help an officer lead soldiers in difficult, stressful situations. They also help in making quick and correct decisions under pressures. SSB check these qualities through different tests. OLQ can be developed with practice, discipline, and self-improvement. So that is the right answer to format of these questions. And we move its conclusions. Conclusion that OLQ officers like qualities. Example, they check confidence, leadership quality, decision making, teamwork. If you are OLQ, you are the officer. You are officers matter. Then we move next six questions. What is the structure of the Indian Army? So that is the ask about the what is the structure of Indian Army. The Indian Army follow a clear hierarchical structure to manage operation effectively. At the top is the army headquarters, led by the chief of army staff. Then come the army divided into different commands such as in northern, western, eastern, southern, central, and training commands. Each command look after a specific regions. Below commands are corps which control multiple divisions. Each division is further divided into the brigades and brigades into battalions and companies. This structure follow proper control coordinations and fast decision makings. It allows the army to work smoothly in both peacetime and war situations. So that is the correct answer of the discussions, and we format like this like army structure क्या है. Army structure commands, corps, division, brigades and battalions जो कि एक hierarchical level पे काम करते हैं और सिस्टम कंट्रोल और कोऑर्डिनेशन को आसान बनाता है. क्लियर स्ट्रक्चर एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग आर्मी. Okay, we move next questions. That is the what is the role of an officer in the army? So that is the main questions that SSB asked to the their interviewer. The role of the leader, the army officer is leader, who is responsible for guiding the and managing soldiers. Their main job is to lead the team, make decisions and complete mission successfully. Officers plan operations. ऑफिसर्स क्या करते हैं, प्लान को ऑपरेशन करते हैं। मैनेज रिसोर्स, जो भी उनको रिसोर्स मैनेज करना होता है, जैसे कि कोई गन वगैरह, तो उनको मैनेज रिसोर्स करते हैं। एंड इंश्योर डिसिप्लिन इन द देयर यूनिट, they act as a role models in the motivate soldiers, especially in difficult situations. And officers must be physically fit, mentally strong, and honest. They also take care of the soldiers' needs and well-beings. The most important quality of an officer is leadership and responsibility. They must be ready to take responsibility for their decisions and lead from the front. Officers, leaders, lead soldiers, take decisions. Responsibility of team officers always lead from the front. Next question, we move the next questions. That is the SSB ask in their interview, what is the different entries to join the Indian Army? My suggestion that is the you also know about these entries, like NDS, CDS, TS और AFC, ATC कुछ तो होता है, उसके बारे में जानना चाहिए. So there are the different ways to join Indian Army called entry schemes. The most common one are the NDA, National Defense Academy for students for after 12th class. CDS Combined Defense Service for graduates. OTS for engineering students. There are also special entry like NCC entry and short service commissions. Each entry has its own eligibility, rules and selection process. No matters which you choose, you must clear the SSB interview and medical test. These options allow students from different backgrounds to join the army. Main entries end it after 12th, CDS after graduation, TS technical students. Multiple path, one goal is equal to army. That is the main different entries to join the Indian army. We give short conclusions. You can also explore these in more details. So we move the further next question, that is the what is the NDA. Uh, Also, already we know about the NDA, National Defense Academy, top training institute for the Army, Navy, and Air Force. It is located in the Pune, Maharashtra. Student can join NDA after 12th by clearing the written exam and assessment interview. Training at NDA includes studies, physical fitness, and basic military trainings. It helps students develop discipline, confidence, and leadership skills. After completing NDA, cadets go their respective academics for further training. NDA is one of the most respected defense institute in India and produce skilled officers. NDA ट्रेनिंग अकेडमी इन पुणे आर्मी नेवी एयरफोर्स का जॉइंट एंट्रेंस सेंटर है. एंड दे बिल्ड फ्यूचर ऑफिसर्स. दैट इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. And what is the CDS? CDS also the graduate level entry exams conducted by the UPSC, and that is the same process, written exam and assessment interview. Third one is we move the next question, that is the what is the discipline in the army. Discipline in the army means order and following rules, order and proper behaviors at all times. It helps soldiers work together in the organized and efficient way. Discipline is very important because it maintains order and unity in the army. It helps soldiers complete tasks correctly and even under pressures. Without discipline, the army cannot function properly. Discipline is developed through regular training and practice. It also includes self control, punctuality, and respect for seniors. It is one of the most important part in the soldier's life. So that is the right answer of formatting these questions, and also that is the highlight of these questions. In discipline, following rules and orders. आर्मी बिना डिसिप्लिन काम नहीं करती है. डिसिप्लिन क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्ग सोल्जर्स. ओके. देन army means following rules, orders, and proper behaviors at all times. That is the main discipline in the army for the n officers. Okay, we move next questions. What is the leadership? So we explain this type. Leadership is like a lead to someone's and motivate to achieve them specific goal or some point of area. Leadership means the ability to guide, motivate, and influence others to achieve a common goal. What is leadership? Leadership means the ability to guide, motivate, and influence others to achieve a common goal. In the army, leadership is very important for mission success. A good leader set an example, take responsibility, and build confidence in soldiers. Leadership include skills like decision makings, communications, and problem solving. A leader must have courage and accountability. That is the must have in a user. They should also care for their teams and ensure their well-being. Good leaders create trust and a strong team. Good leaders create trust and a strong team. That is the main point. That's why leadership is important in quality check in assessment interview. So that is the long type answer, and we also give short time answer like leadership is guiding the motivating others. Good leaders एग्जाम्पल सेट करता है लीडर इंस्पायर नॉट ऑर्डर लीडर क्या करता है ऑर्डर नहीं देता है वो इंस्पायर करता है टू अचीव सम स्पेसिफिक गोल सो दैट इज द आंसर you must know about what is teamwork. Teamwork also like we work in daily life with our friends or together. That is the example of teamwork. Teamwork means working together with others to achieve common goals. In the army, teamwork is very important because all operation needed coordinations between different units. Teamwork is very important in army because if officers or army officers do not follow the rules, then the unity are breakdowns, and that is the very dangerous over systems and over army. Soldiers depend on each others for success and even survival. Good teamwork include clear communications, cooperation, and mutual respect. It helps in completing tasks efficiently and with favor mistakes. Teamwork also builds trust and boosts morale among soldiers. In SSB, candidates are judged on how well they work in group. Being a team player is very important to become a good officers. Teamwork is equal to work together. That is the we give the short summary of this para, and also I will explain word by word. Teamwork, working together. Army में success depend on team coordination. Together we win. So that is the main point of army. And next question, what is the importance of physical fitness? Physical fitness is very important in army because of without physical fitness you cannot survive else. Like physical fitness is very important in the army because soldiers have to do tough tasks in difficult conditions. It help improve strength, stamina, and agility. Being fit also helps soldiers handle stress and stay mentally strong. Regular exercise and training keep soldiers ready for any situations, including combat. Good fitness also reduce the chance of injury. It is an important requirement for selections and training in the army. Staying fit, so discipline, dedications, physical fitness is basic part of the army life. So that is the its answer. And that is the short summary of this. Army life is physical demands, fitness equal to strength plus stamina plus mental stability. Fit body is equal to strong mind. Then we move the next questions, last questions in this video. What is the courage? Courage not means like loans. It is like uh, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ और किस लिए कर सकता हूँ. That is the courage. Courage means the ability to face fears, danger, or difficult situations with confidence. In the army, there are two types of courage: physical courage and moral courage. Facing dangers in combat through tough situations. Moral courage, doing the right things even when it is hard. Courage helps soldiers overcome challenges. and stay focused on their missions. It build confidence. One of the most important quality of soldiers and officers, it developed through training, experience, and a strong mindset. That is the courage in army. So that is the top most 15 questions that also ask in army. Today we disclose close this uh, PPT here, and also we provide their PDF in our descriptions. Also check and give me suggestions what to improve and what to do for the making good videos, because I have new in study. But thank you. Okay.